Introducing the CS Cart Midtrans Payment Method add-on, supporting secure payments through Mandiri Clickpay, KlikBCA, Indomaret, Telkomsel Cash, bank transfer, and credit card, delivering a seamless and trusted checkout experience. Apart from this, I would like to mention that if you need extensions for increasing the sales of your e-commerce store, then you can visit store.webkul.com and explore our number of products for every technology. We also have the user guide for the same in our blog sections, from where you can check the features and configuration and get to know the functionality of the extensions as well. Now, let's move back to our video. After installing the add-on, you will find it in the list of available add-ons under the name CS Cart Midtrans Payment Method. From here, you can enable or disable the add-on and access its settings. When you click on the add-on, the General section displays a description of the add-on, and the Information section provides details about the add-on. Before configuring the payment method, you must add the appropriate currency, which is Indonesian rupiah, because Midtrans supports only IDR. To do this, go to the Settings section and click on Currencies. By clicking the Add Currency icon, you can add a new currency with the name IDR. Now enter the code, the rate, and the sign. Check the box to enable the currency to be shown after the sum. Set the status as active, provide the thousand separator, the decimal separator, and the number of digits after the decimal, then click the Create button. It is already created, which is why we are getting this error. After that, go to the Settings section again and click on Payment Methods. Here, I have already added the Midtrans Payment Gateway. When you click on it, you can review the configuration of this payment method. In the General section, you must select Midtrans Payment Gateway in the Processor field. After that, provide the name of the payment method. From here, you can also select an icon and then provide a description for the payment method. If you have payment instructions, you can write them in this box. For user groups, click on All to select all users. You can also enable it for guest and registered users as needed. If payment surcharges are taken from vendors and taxes are not calculated, you can check this box. Then provide the surcharge value in percentage format. In the Indonesian surcharge value field, you can enter an amount, for example, 10 rupiah. You can also add a surcharge title and then click the Save button. To check the functionality of this payment method, go to the storefront and place an order. On the storefront, select any product, add the product to the cart, and click Checkout. Then add the delivery address, select the shipping method, and fill in the customer details. After that, select the Midtrans Payment Gateway as the payment method, agree to the terms and conditions, and place the order. On the payment page, you can select a payment option, such as BCA virtual account or credit debit card. I'm choosing the credit card option. Enter your card details, then click Pay Now. Enter the password and click the OK button. As you can see here, the payment is successful. And that's all about the functionality of this module. I hope you like it. If you have any queries, please contact us at support@webkul.com or raise a ticket at webkul.uvdesk.com. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.